Hey Unity, so glad to see you and to know we are all blessed. A wonderful experience last night where a little frog toad suddenly popped out when I took up the garage door. It came running in. I'm trying to capture it, and lo and behold, it goes right behind my wheel of my car. And I thought, oh boy, okay, it's inside. I'm trying to figure out how to get to it. And I'm like, well, what do I do? Maybe I can call a friend to come take me to where I want to go, because I'm not about to come out and have a flattened toad in my car, in my garage. So I reached and tried to look one way, and I went the other side and could see where it was. Now I had a picture of where exactly it had hidden itself back in the crevice under the wheel so that it could hide as it thought from me. And it was the perfect place because it felt safe and secure, and yet I came in and was able to scoop it up and gently take it out and put it out where it needed to be. Have you ever wondered in the blessings of your own life? We tend to think we're going to hide in the shadows of where we think we're safe, and we are scooped up and placed into a new environment, into a safer environment, into an experience that is going to bring us exactly what we need. See, we are blessed eternally by the universal consciousness, God, by whatever name we call it. And it is always looking to get the best angle on supporting us and moving us forward, because we are blessed by the very nature of who we are. When I know who I am, and I know this part is not real, and yet at the same time, I can know that everything is working with me to always keep me blessed and safe. I'm knowing that for you today. Have yourself a glorious day. An experience that says, yes, I know I am blessed now, I'm eternally blessed, and I've always been blessed. God bless you. Have a great one.